Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming basics that affect loading immediately. Ensure at least 5 Mbps, and when available, use a wired connection to reduce packet loss. Once connected, sign out of your Google account and sign back in to reset session tokens, and make sure to clear cookies for Docs. Google.com. Next, open an incognito window to try Docs there. This isolates extensions and cached scripts so you can see if the problem is local to your browser. Once done with incognito testing, disable all extensions in your normal browser session. Extensions often block scripts that Docs needs. Then clear the browser cache, focusing on cached images and files. Do not remove saved passwords unless necessary. After that, update your browser to the latest release or switch to Chrome or Edge and test. If Docs loads in another browser, enable extensions one by one to identify the culprit. This method isolates and resolves most browser-related loading failures quickly. To finish, restart your router and modem to clear NAT and DNS caches. If DNS issues persist, switch to a public DNS such as 8.8.8.8. Next, check Google Workspace status or sign in with an alternate Google account to see if the issue is account-specific. If Docs still fails, open the Google Docs mobile app or enable offline mode as a temporary workaround so you can continue working. If nothing works, one key troubleshooting step is to try a different network. This isolates ISP.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.